In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a logo on your Squarespace website. So for this, you want to sign in on Squarespace, then you want to go to the editor. Once you're here, you want to click on edit. Then you want to go over to your header and click on edit site header. Once you do that, you'll find logo over here, for example. But you want to click on site title and logo. Click on site logo, and this is where you can add a logo. So we'll go with this icon. Well, no, we'll go with this one. You want to upload it, and you can also upload a mobile logo image. So once again, you can click on it and then select a picture. So by doing this, you will actually add a logo on your website. You can make it bigger or smaller if you want to. But yeah, that's how you can do this. So it's pretty simple. You can then go back and you can then click on done and then on save, and there we go. So yeah, if this video helps you out, leave a like, and then I'll see you in the next one. As you can see right there, it now shows up. So yeah, that's it. I'll see you in the next